Let's pick a winner. Winner, winner, fetch. Choose a filter, no filter. Anything goes. Include replies. No, don't allow duplicates. Anything goes, yes, and continue. Okay, 70 comments, pick a winner. Butterfly Charms is our winner. The Butterfly Charms. Alrighty, 48 hours, please contact me. My email, I'll paste it in this video. Thank you everyone who participated, and I hope to see you guys in future videos. Also, a big thank you to Stephanie at NC Mountain Momma. Congratulations once again, and we'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye.